Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a safe box cutter. If you see the one that we got right here from this brand, and they called it the Safe Blade. So you do have the option to add this onto your keychain, or if you guys want to add it onto one of the key organizer option, you can definitely do that as well. So for me, I do have one of the products, which is right here. So this basically is a key organizer option where you can put it inside right here to organize all your keys. So that way when you guys open up each one of these sections on here, you guys can get your keys really easy. So just like that. So adding one of these accessories on top is actually really convenient. So that way you always have like a box coded options to open up like mail, letter, etc. So I'm actually open this up and then set it up to show you guys how it works. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So they do mention the way how they designed the product, it is friendly for your skin. So that way when you guys do poke yourself by accident, you won't cut yourself. Unless if you guys use a lot of force to push against it, then obviously you probably will. But see on the side right here, it is sharp enough for you guys to open up like box and etc. And right here we do have the hole for you guys to put it in. So if you guys don't have one of these, I do highly recommend you guys get one of these if you guys want to keep all your keys organized. And I do recommend this one in particular because it does give you guys a flashlight option and also give you guys a towel option as well. So that way you guys always have a tracker option to find your keys if you guys left it somewhere or you guys forgot about it. So let's press on this button right here on top. That will turn on the flashlight option, and the bottom button will turn on the towel option. And when you guys do purchase this one, they also give you guys a bottle opener as well, which is kind of cool. And basically the way how you guys put your keys inside is actually very simple. All you guys need to do is unscrew it. So the one on each side, that way you guys can put up to like 10 keys in here. And they also have the spacers inside for you guys to actually separate it when you guys do this as well. So that's unscrew it all the way. Once you guys do that, you can take out one of the spacers and just put the key in. You basically want to put the spacer back on top and screw everything back together. You guys want to make it as tight as possible so that way it won't be loose. And then once you guys put it in, then it's all set. So let's push it out. You guys can push it out really easily. Same thing applies to other keys as well if you guys do push it out. So that is basically how you guys use the product. Now I'm actually using the product to show you guys how sharp it is if you guys do open up like packages or mail, etc. So right here I do have an empty box. If you guys cut it open, it's definitely sharp enough for you guys to cut open like letters and etc. if you can see. You probably do want to put your finger in the back so that you can push against it. So that way you can open up much easier. So you can see the product definitely does work. And then once you guys are done using it, you guys can push back in. So that way everything is all organized inside. And you won't have to worry about hurting yourself or anything. So that is basically how you guys set a product and how to use it. You can see it definitely does work. And then obviously like I mentioned, you do have the option to put this onto your keychain, or if you guys want to put it on here, you can definitely do that as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality box cutter, where it's safe to touch and also give you guys the option to install it onto a keychain and also onto like a key organizer like this one right here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.